Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable hardware acceleration in Discord step by step. So first of all, you need to simply launch Discord on your computer. Now over here, you just have to look for the user settings option here in the bottom. So when you are inside the user settings, you need to just scroll down and keep on scrolling down in the left hand side until you find the option of the app settings. Now inside the app settings, you will find the option of advanced settings or advanced. So you need to simply just click on the option of advanced. Now when you are inside the advanced option, you are going to see the option of hardware acceleration. So you need to click on the toggle button right next to it in order to turn it off. Then Discord is also going to ask you to restart the application for the change to take effect. So simply click on the option of OK, then completely close and reopen your Discord application. Now hardware acceleration uses your computer's graphics hardware in order to help with the certain Discord tasks. So you can turn it off, can sometimes help in the performance issues, screen sharing problems and graphical glitches. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.